Hey Milo, are you about ready to go? We've got one more boat to deliver in Louisiana, then we head back up to Missouri. What's out there? What do you see out there? The only thing I see over there are cows. There's cows on the other side of the tree. Do you think you're gonna get the cows? Maybe there was a cowbird. Yeah? We are parked in St. Joe, Arkansas, at a tiny little place. Hey, look, there goes one of our guys. Prime truck went by. Aren't we? Oh my gosh, I just stepped on the popcorn I dropped on the floor. What are you doing? Little fart? Hey. We're tired. Oh, this windy... Oh, there's a fly in here. That is the third fly. I don't know where we've picked them up at. I've let one out and I killed one. And now there's another one. I keep telling Milo she needs to get them for me, because they're rather annoying little bugs. I don't know where they're coming from. They must have snuck in when we were parked somewhere. But didn't they? Did the flies sneak in when we weren't looking? They almost would have had to, huh? What do you see over there? Yeah. Gosh, you just see all kinds of things. I still don't know what you see over here. I see cows. I see cows. I don't see anything else. No birds. Boy, you're alert. There went that fly again. You sure you don't want to go get the fly? No, we're parked for the night. Yeah. My goodness, look at those eyes. Of course, with the light behind her, I don't know if anybody can really even see what she looks like. Hey, goofball. Yeah? What do you think? She's just busy watching. Oh, you step on something? You busy watching stuff? Yeah? Clean your feet. We got parked at this little truck stop. There's one other truck driver here. And I think this place closed at 8 o'clock, so we missed out on him. But I'm tired anyway. We're gonna get ready for bed and get up in the morning. You guys all have a good day, and we'll talk to you again on Friday.